Gentlemen, yeah, it's a boy. Welcome from TINHLAYO-ORGANISATION. Okay, today we are going to do this question. Someone said they need help with this question, so let us start. Let me copy the question first. They are saying consider. I'm reading here. Consider the equation. Our equation is 3 sine p and 4 cos q equals to 6. This equation, let's write it here. It is what? 3 sine p plus 4 cos q is equal to 6. Let's name it as equation number 1. And then our second equation says what? 4 sine q plus 3 cos p equals to 1. And then we're gonna say 4 sine q plus 3 cos p is equal to what? Is equal to 1. This is our equation number 2. And then 5.4.1, they say prove that p plus q, this one here, prove that p plus q is equals to 1 over 2. Let's work it out. First of all, isn't it, they are requiring you to prove that what? That sine p plus q is equals to 1 all over 2, our half. Okay, let's do this. First of all, let's square our equation number 1. We're gonna say square equation number 1. Let's write our equation number 1. 3 sine p plus 4 cos q squared is equals to 6 squared. Because what you do on the left, you also do on the right. So this, let's expand it. 3 sine p plus 4 cos q, 3 sine p plus 4 cos q. Don't worry, today you are going to understand. Do you get me? So here, this is going to give us what? We are going to say 3 sine p multiplied by 3 sine p, which give us what? 9 sine squared p. And then we say 3 sine p multiplied by what? By 4 cos q, which give us what? Plus 3 times 4 is 12. It will be 12 sine p cos q. And then now we'll come here, 4 cos q multiplied by 3 sine p. We're gonna say plus 12 sine p cos q. And then we say 4 cos q multiplied by 4 cos q. We're gonna say plus 16 cos squared q is equal to 36. Okay, here we have what? We have 12 sine p cos q and 12 sine p cos q. 12 sine p cos q plus 12 sine p cos q, we are going to get 24 sine p cos q. 9 sine squared p plus what? 24 sine p cos q plus 16 cos squared q is equal to 36. Do you get me, guys? Okay, this is simplified like this. Let's name it equation number 3. Don't worry, don't be afraid when you say equation number 3, equation number 4, just for us to remember. Do you get me? Just for us to remember. Now let's use a red one to square the other equation. Now we are squaring what? We say square equation number what? Number 2. At first we squared equation number 1. Now we are squaring equation number 2. Now equation number 2 say 4 sine q plus 3 cos p equals to 1. 4 sine q, 4 sine q plus 3 cos p. This p is equal to 1. Do you see, guys? Let's square it. I'm squaring, squared, and then here squared. 4 sine, let us check whether we copied it correct. 4 sine q, 3 cos p. 4 sine q, 3 cos p. 4 sine q, 3 cos p. 4 sine q. That's it, guys. Sure. Let's expand it. Let's expand. 4 sine q plus 3 cos p. 4 sine q. 4 sine q plus 3 cos p. It's equals to 1 squared is the same as 1. Do you get me? If you get me, say yes, sir, I get you, or I got you. That's all. 4 sine q multiplied by 4 sine q. 4 sine q multiplied by 4 sine q. We get 16 sine squared q. Do you get me? And then we come 4 sine q multiplied by 3 cos p. 4 sine q multiplied by 3 cos p. And then 4 will multiply 3. And then it will be what? 12 cos p. 12 cos p sine q. Do you get me, guys? And then we're gonna say 3 cos p multiplied by 4 sine q. It's the same. 3 will multiply 4 first, and then we're going to have 12 cos p sine q. And then now we are coming to say 3 cos p multiplied by 3 cos p. Let's go. 3 cos p multiplied by 3 cos p. This will be 9 cos squared p is equals to 1. Do you get me, guys? Ne? So let's simplify it, because here we have 12 cos p sine q. We also have 12 cos p sine q. So let's say here we're gonna have 16 sine squared q plus 12 cos p sine q plus 12 cos p sine q is 24 cos p sine q plus what? Plus 9 cos squared p is equals to 1. Do you get me, guys? We are going to name it our equation number what? It will be our equation number 4. Yeah, because at last we had equation number 3. Ne? So now, guys, ne, let's do what? Let's add. Now I'm gonna say add equation number 3 and equation, or with equation number what? Number 4. Let's copy equation number 3 first. Our equation number 3 says what? This our equation number 3 says, this our equation number 3. 9 sine squared p plus 24 sine p cos q. 9 sine squared p plus 24. Yeah, we're going to write here 9 sine squared p plus 24. It is 24 what? It is 24 sine p cos q. Sine p cos q. 24 sine p cos q. And then we're gonna say plus 16 plus 16 cos squared q is equals to what? 36. Do you get me? So we are adding it with what? We are adding it with okay, we're adding it with equation number what? Equation number 4. And then equation number 4, because here we have sine p, we're going to start with cos p here. 9 with 9, oh yeah, 9 cos squared p plus 24 is 24 cos p sine q. 24 cos P sine Q plus, and then we have 16. It is 16 sine squared Q. 16 sine squared Q is equals to 1. Okay. So now let me change the pen to black one so that we can see that this is the added solution. Do you get me? And then here, when we add these two, let me put the line like this. Hey, sorry, my line is not straight. Okay, 9 sine squared P. We know that. Okay, first of all, let's do like this. We have 9 sine squared P to avoid confusion, and 9 cos squared P. And we're going to take a common factor of 9. We're going to take a common factor of 9. We're left with sine P plus cos squared. Is sine squared P plus cos squared P, which gave us 1. So it is the same as 9. So don't be confused when I say, yeah, it's 9 here. Let me erase it so that I can have my space back. Sorry guys, let me erase it. Let me erase this. Here we go. Yeah, let me put a straight line. I will try to put a straight line because I'm also straight. At least I've tried. Okay, here we are going to have what? 9. Isn't it? We are adding this one with this one. Is this 9? And then we're gonna say plus what? Here we're going to take a common factor of 24. We're going to take a common factor of 24. We are left with what? With sine P cos Q plus cos P sine Q. And then plus, here we're going to add this one with this one. It is the same as the other example that I gave it here. That I gave you, we're going to have 16 equals to, then 36 plus 1, we're going to have what? 37. You see. And then let's go forward. We go. Now we are 9 plus 16. Our 9, this 9 plus this 16, we're going to have 25. Let's write this 25 here. 25 plus, and then we just copy this as it is. 24 sine P cos Q plus cos P sine Q is equals to 37. And then here we go. I'm gonna say 24 sine P cos Q plus cos P sine Q equals to 37 minus 25. Do you get me? And then 37 minus 25, we know that 37 minus 25, it is 12. And then here we're gonna divide with what? Divide with this 24 here, and then we also divide with this 24. You will punch your calculator. This will be 12 over 24. And we all know that 12 over 24, it will give us what? It's going to give us what? 1 all over 2. Just punch a calculator if you don't trust or believe. Do you get me? And then here we have sine P cos Q. I want to show you something. Plus cos P sine Q. This is what? This is in your formula sheet. Just because I think it is alpha and X or alpha and B, but it is a compound angle of what? Of sine. Do you get me? Compound angle of sine. This is a compound angle of sine. It's the same as what? As sine P plus Q is equals to what? 1 all over 2. Do you get me? So we have proved that our sine P plus Q is equal to 1 over 2. This is our answer. So let's go to the next question. Our next question was saying 5.4.2. It is further given that P, Q, and R, they've added R, their own R. I hope you can see it here. We're not having r at first, but now we have r. They've added r. P, Q, and r are the interior angle of a triangle. You must know what's an interior angle of a triangle, and r is an acute angle. You must know what's an acute angle. Then they say determine the value of r. Let's go and determine the value of r, guys. We're gonna start it here. We're gonna say 5.4.2. 5.4.2. Let's first write our what? Our triangle. This is our triangle, even if it is not straight. Okay. Here we're gonna have P. Here we're gonna have Q. Here we're gonna have R. They say angle R is an acute angle. It means that it is less than what? 90 degrees. This means what is an acute angle. Do you get me, guys? And then they say we must determine the value of R. Do you get me? So what do we know? We know that, let me use a red pen. Let me use a red pen. A red pen. A red pen. A red pen. Do you know, guys? A red pen. Okay? We know that what? We know that sine P plus Q is equals to what? 1 all over 2. Even if you didn't manage to prove this answer, guys, even if you didn't manage to prove this answer in 5.4.1, you can able to answer it in 5.4.2. You see? So don't be confused. Now we are solving for what? For angle P plus Q. These angles. Ne? You will say it is equals to arc sine 1 all over 2. Do you get me, guys? And arc sine 1 all over 2, we know that it is 30 degrees. So P plus Q so what's what? It is equal to 30 degrees. Do you get me? This is our reference angle. So let's go and draw our Cartesian plane. Sign this positive in quadrant number 2 and quadrant number 1. So we are going to use quadrant number 2 because we have 180 minus what? Minus alpha or minus theta or minus what? Or minus W. So here I'm going to say P plus Q is equals to 180 degrees minus 30 degrees minus our reference angle. This A stands for a reference angle. Do you get me? So we are minusing the reference angle. Here we're going to have what? 150 degrees. Angle P plus angle Q is equals to what? Is equal to 150 degrees. So now we are solving. As we know that in our triangle, we were having what? In our triangle, we're having P plus Q plus R. PQR. This is our interior angle of a triangle. And we know that the interior angle of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Let's go and say angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equals to 180 degrees. You can write the reason for them so that they know that you know mathematics. You see, yeah. Come control come. And then you're gonna say sum of angles in a triangle. Do you get me? P plus Q, we know that it is 150. Yeah. They say P plus Q equals to 150. We're gonna say 150 degrees plus angle R is equals to what? 180 degrees. So now we want angle R as usual. Angle R is equals to 180 degrees. We're gonna take this 150 to the other side. We're gonna change the sign to be negative 150. Our angle R is 30 degrees. First of all, they told us that our angle R must be an acute angle. Must be an acute angle. And then an acute angle is an angle. Is an angle that angle, you know, guys, you know, we're not learning English. Angle that is less than 90 degrees, you know. So this is our answer. So guys, may you please follow me. Do you get me, guys? Follow me, please. Yeah. And subscribe. Ish, I don't mean follow me, just subscribe. You see, Yeah, I'll be posting these videos even on TikTok. You can just search TINHLAYO-ORGANISATION, and then yeah, tell your friend to subscribe. Do you get me? Danko, and I'm offering a free lesson. I have a WhatsApp group. If you want to take me so that I can add you on WhatsApp, you go just take this number 0715520 691. This is my number on WhatsApp. I'll just add you to the WhatsApp group, and then I'm offering these lessons for free. Do you get me? And then yeah, when I upload videos here, you will be notified, something like that. Just click on the banner row. Upload the video. In God we trust. Moving forward. Hashtag what? Hashtag let me write it here. Hashtag level 7 and above. Yeah. Look, level 6. Danko,